NAB 2025, and here we are. My name's Duncan Beattie. I'm the Market Development Manager for Tuxera. I'm here with Barry Evans, who is the SVP of Product Development at Pixitmedia. So it's been quite an interesting year. I mean, a very interesting year. And here you are with this amazing booth. So tell us what you've been up to. And also, for those who don't know Pixitmedia, what do you guys do?
Yeah, of course. So as you say, it has been a very interesting year. In fact, it's been a very interesting 2 months. We've just recently been acquired by DataCore, and we've merged with their Ebony brand with Periphery.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
We're merged with that and come out with our new shiny colors and branding. But it's been great because they've had a lot of complementary solutions to us. We were really able to come together.
It's very media focused. That fits what you guys do, of course. Yeah. You've been working with us at Tuxera with Fusion SMB for some time now, and if you could just give a little explanation of how you guys use it and what you're looking forward to doing and why it's
for sure. So we have many customers who are looking for native client-like file delivery performance to Windows and Mac workstations, right? And hey, that's a challenge, right? And we have to install our software clients on there, which is fine, and it gives very good low latency performance. But sometimes that can be a bit of a sledgehammer to crack a nut.
Right.
So what's been really good working with you guys is that we're able to get that same level of performance, particularly on the bandwidth level, but without having to install any specialist software.
Yeah.
It's all being delivered over standard Ethernet. They just come along, click on the share, and they're in.
But there are some systems that can't have the native card installed, of course. So
exactly,
you can then serve the best of both worlds to anything that needs to connect.
100%. So it's been a huge boost for us on Mac OS, and there's been a little bit of ease of use play with Windows, but for Mac it's been just absolutely outstanding. It's really
that's great.
Unlocked some performance potentials that was pretty good before, but now it's just amazing.
Oh, that's great. It's really good to hear. It's been a pleasure working with you guys, and there's some really interesting projects coming up, and we've got some amazing stuff on the roadmap, which we talked about yesterday, which is certainly ticking a lot of boxes on sort of further enhancements and security and things, which of course is important. But it's been brilliant to talk to you. Thank you, Barry, and great working with you guys.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the rest of the show before you head home. Thank you. Cheers, Dan.